Welcome to Adam Builds Colorado. I'm Adam, and this is the 127th week of my renovation here on Iris Street. The main focus this week is on the staircase. This is the week where I have to install the newel post, the hand railing, all the balusters, and all of that finished carpentry on the stairs that's been planned out in my head, but actually hasn't been executed. So without further ado, let's check out this stair project. One of the next decisions to iron out is the color scheme of the home. I'm contemplating various shades of white, brown, blue, gray, and possibly some bold statement walls. These are some of the design inspiration photos I'm working through. I'm aiming for a farmhouse modern look. Bright clean whites, rustic wood floors, a matte black finish on all door handles and fixtures, stained hardwood and select fixtures such as the fireplace mantle, and the occasional accent wall. While considering color palettes, I realized I need to get serious about the staircase. These are some of my stair idea photos. To meet code, the staircase must have a continuous handrail from top to bottom. I had been considering this for the south side, where the open balusters are, when I realized this would require making a handrail that turns inward at the drywall by about 4 inches before continuing up to the top. This makes construction of the hand railing complicated and aesthetically looks a little unbalanced. I also considered using wainscoting for a minute. In the end, I decided to build balusters on the south wall with a continuous handrail on the north wall. On Saturday, I rent a box truck from Home Depot to pick up various lengths of poplar for the stairs. I also picked up some MDF in case I decide I want to do wainscoting and some lengths of trim. The weather was nice enough to finish applying caulking to the sunroom windows. With any luck, Dad will be able to prime the exterior of the sunroom tomorrow. On Sunday, Dad tackles the remaining caulking on the sunroom siding, and since the weather did cooperate, was able to finish the priming as well. Meanwhile, I start work on the staircase finishing carpentry. Up first is finishing the skirt boards. This 1x12 poplar board needs to be cut around every stair nose, and riser. It requires some attention to detail, but by using a framing square, a 1 1/8 inch drill bit, and a miter saw, I can get accurate results without too much effort. Before Dad leaves, I have him help me dado the poplar board that will receive the bottoms of the stair balusters. In the evening, I mask up and start the process that every woodworker hates, sanding. For all finished carpentry, I work through grits of about 120, 150, and at least 220. On Monday, I continue working on the skirt boards. They need to be cut to length to be fitted to the existing section of skirts. I cut some drywall triangles to back the skirts, ensuring they'll be flush with the existing drywall. The skirts will be secured with finishing nails, but I still like to add a bead of liquid nails for premium adhesion and staying power. The north skirt is now finished, but before I can install the south skirt, I have to install the newel post. My newel post will be created from 1x8 pine ripped down to enclose the existing 4x4 post. I assemble the newel post with wood glue, clamps, and finishing nails. Wood filler is applied to all nail holes for a seamless finish. With the main part of the newel post constructed, I can move on to the final pieces. I have to create a custom piece to notch around the bottom of the stair nose. This piece is part of the newel post, but will be installed after the post is in place as it wouldn't fit around the stair nose that's already there. The post is sanded one more time to clean yesterday's wood filler excess and prepare it for painting. The fit is excellent, so I nail the post in place. With the newel post secured, I can install the remaining south skirt. The process is the same as before. Liquid nails is applied to the back of the skirt, with the main holding power being provided by finishing nails. I won't finish the railing or the balusters this week, but day by day the stairs are taking shape. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching, and until next week, happy renovating.